This is a Barber's Delight Escher stone. Labels. Slurry stone. If you wet this label very carefully and look at it, you can see the remnants of the graphics, but I'm not going to keep doing that, so I'm not going to do that. End label, Gelbgrun, yellow green. Escher label. Focus. The label is not sealed. These are real labels, not phony labels like some lying pieces of trash have been doing here and there, who shall remain nameless. Not lapped and not chamfered because I don't want to risk the end label right now. And I have a few of these for my own use, so I never messed with it. So there's the stone. There's the slurry stone. This is the Barber's Delight slurry stone, as you can see. Yellow green, light green. Natural combination stone. The real deal. This stone in particular is 5 27/32 of an inch long by 2 1/32 of an inch wide by 7/8 of an inch thick. Yellow green, light green, yellow green for most of it, light green natural combination. Gelbgrun, Escher, Barber's Delight. Label in the lid. Let me zoom this around. I don't think you can really make it out. You can see the ES from J.G. Escher, but it would be Barber's Delight. And there's like the scrolls around the edge. But anyway, genuine article. I thank you. Barber's Delight Escher. Not cheap. But if you want one of these, you know what you're going to be paying anyway. Thanks.